place you can call home. Maguindao is one of the prestigious places in the Cordillera where people are naturally kind and warm-hearted. Their unique practices, cultures, and traditions distinguish them from the other municipalities in Ifugao. They practice rice planting traditionally due to the region's geological features. It is also a place where rice terraces, built hand in hand, created beautiful landscapes that are included in the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The transplanting season for the first crop of the year is called Ekfuri, occurring in January in Tanaguan. The second crop is planted in August, referred to as Nenagwang. The harvesting season is called Panagtofaka. They also tie all the rice sheaves as an activity called Mungfood and gather the harvested sheaves in an event known as Mungako, where everyone is paid in bundles of rice